गोंय सरकारान ग्रामसेवक आणि पंचायत सचिवांच्या पोस्टांचे विलिनीकरण करतले म्हूण हायकोर्टाक कळयले. हाचेर ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगमान माहिती दिली.
This was a petition regarding appointment of Gram Sachiv instead of secretary in some panchayats. So this issue has been sorted out by the government. Government has decided to merge the cadre of panchayat secretary with that of Gram Sevaks. Now that is how there will be one cadre of this particular two posts, and it will be called as Gram Sachiv or a Panchayat Sachiv. So that was told to the court, and the court based on the statement made by the government has disposed of the petition. So this issue, which was pending in the High Court for a long time, has been sorted out.
सरकारान घेतिल्लो निर्णय केन्ना मेरेन लागू जातलो म्हूण प्रश्न केल्या उपरांत देविदास पांगमाची जाप.
I really don't know how much time it will take, but at least 3 months time it will take by the time a formal order is issued.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.